Check this out. I woke up feeling so refreshed, I actually thought it was 12 noon when it was only 8 a.m. That's how much of a difference mouth tape has made a difference in my sleep quality. If you've never tried mouth tape, here's what it does. Reduces snoring by keeping your mouth closed and training you to breathe through your nose. Lowers the risk of sleep apnea by keeping your tongue in the proper position. Enhances cardiovascular health by providing proper oxygen flow. And increases daytime energy and focus by ensuring deeper, more restorative sleep. And even with a full beard, it sticks perfectly and removes painlessly, and it doesn't pull hair. So if you're ready to sleep better, breathe better, and wake up fully energized, hit the yellow cart and grab yours today.